Hey, if at all you want to change or modify your seats on any of your bikes, then you have reached the right video. And welcome to the channel Live What You Love. Rav Seats is located in Shivajinagar and you can find the address below in the description. These guys are very famous when it comes to seat modifications or the new seats. They are best in the market since almost like 50 years. They modify all type of seats from Activa to any super bikes. So if you're looking for a seat modification, this is the right place. And here on my RE Bullet 350, I wanted a seat which is completely comfortable for the rider and pillion for long rides. And yes, the stock seat is comfortable for city rides, but not for the long rides. So I wanted to get it modified. They showed me few ready-made seats which they had already in the shop, but me and my pillion weren't that comfortable. So we test rode on this particular seat, but didn't find it much comfortable like what we wanted. So we had to get a custom-made seat. So we gave him the requirement like how the seat should look. If you have some reference specs, you can show it to them. That would be more helpful. So this is after 2 days after we gave the order. So they take 2 days to make the seat. This is not a finished seat. It's just a foam which you're seeing, but they will temporarily install it on our bike and ask us to test ride to check if it's completely comfortable like what we wanted. And after the test ride, if at all if you need some more changes, you can just let them know and they would do the changes and do the finishing, like putting the leather cover on the seat, and the leather cover would be of your choice, like the color would be of your choice if you need black, brown, or they have multiple color choices. I had few more changes, so he's helping me out with that. And yes, here is my brand new seat, and this is what me and my pillion wanted for long rides, a custom made seat which is comfortable for long rides. Also I had ordered a backrest, a custom made one, which is again very important for a long ride. And yes, you will see that in my next clip. Now sit back and enjoy the cinematic shots of Mr. Black's new avatar. Took feedback from friends and family who rode and who sat back as a pillion, and the result was very positive. The backrest completely covers your lower back and it's very comfortable and you feel very safe in the long rides.